In this video, I want to give you a tour, the full walk around of my red 24 valve Cummins. This thing's built. I got all my Cummins, all my second gens anyway, lined up here, but this is the focus of the attention. There will be other videos on these, but today we're talking about the red one, this beast, because I love her. So enough of my face. Here is what you came for. We got some fat wheels on here, some 14 wide fuels, some aftermarket headlights, aftermarket grille, and over fenders, fender flares, whatever you want to call them, some step sides that were custom, some stack boys that aren't connected, unfortunately, and a little bit of a bash bar back here with the truck money plate and all. So here is the exterior of the truck. It's got 275,000 miles, but it's not the worst thing that you've ever seen. A little bit of a door creak in here, you gotta love it. Anyway, here's the interior of the truck. It's not too bad for the age. We do have a replacement dash cover on here, but the other one was obliterated. We got some gauges, the pillar gauges up here, and I'll start her up for you before we go in the engine bay. Here you can hear the fuel system priming, getting ready with the wait to start. And there she is. So let's crack the hood open, show you what we got. Also, we have the tuner right here on fuel, and then I think this is something, and this is a boost controller as well. I don't know what they do. I got the truck built mechanically anyway. It's got a built trans in it. This thing is effing hot. I love this. It's fully custom. We have the intake sensor, no blow by. I'll show you just for proof. We were having a couple technical difficulties. Shut the hood down and we'll go for a drive, because that's definitely the most fun part about this one. We're getting buckled in. One more time for the ASMR. Gotta love it. So the brakes on this thing sucks, but the go-go juice is all there. We have a little bit of rub at full lock. But it does have four-wheel drive. Ooh. It does go into all the gears it needs to. And I want to take you on a little drive, a little rip sesh. You got typical second gen sloppy steering where this doesn't really control the wheels too much at all, but it's a blast. I'll do a little cruise before she's all the way warmed up and ready to rage, ready to rip, and then we'll give her the beans. It sounds so nasty. It sounds so good. Enough, and I'll do a little ripskidonia. That let off is nuts. Hopefully we have enough brakes to get us stopped by the stop sign.
Yeah, hey, that's my truck.
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
It's not your truck, it's Apple's.
Yeah.
Hey, Apple.
Oh gosh.
Hoping I can go left here pretty soon.
Yeah.
Oh,
Dang.
this is the worst.
Dang.
I feel like this just drives worse and worse every time.
It does. Oh, bed topper. Yeah.
Grabber.
Throw it on this, you think?
Cover up the stacks.
Yeah.
It's like moderately busy. Maybe it's just incentive.
Oh, bonk.
Was it recording?
Yeah.
Yes.
Dang.
There we go. I think it needs some new front end. That's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully you liked the truck. And if you want to see more tours of the vehicles that I have, then drop a comment down below telling me what you want to see, what you liked, what you didn't, any sort of feedback, what mods we should do, should we continue modifying it, or is it perfect as it is? Anyway, one last final thing. If you want to know how to get your next truck profitably, gas, diesel, stock, modified, doesn't matter, how you can own your next truck, even build it and make money doing so, then click the link down below. There's a program and I'll roll a quick little ad that I recorded for all of you. With that in mind, I'll see you on the next one. Hey, diesel truck guys, if you're interested in learning how to make money on your next diesel truck, then hit the link somewhere in this video. See you there.